Say, how would you like to walk in the path with us? One of the paths. Macy, she's enjoying herself, and Lulu, she's ready to go. Okay, Macy. By the way, this is, I think, the original path. But we have many, many paths. Each one different and unique. Different vegetation. Different scents and feeling, smells. It winds through here. I'll only take you for a moment. So peaceful, serene. It's very stress relieving, if you will. As I mentioned, peaceful, but at the same time, it's energizing. Oh, you can see the sun's peeking out. It's energizing. It's inspiring. The creative juices flow all at the same time. It's the best of all the worlds put together. I can't see, the sun is in my eyes. Oh, you couldn't see either. Oh, now we're coming to an intersection where a lot of paths. Paths that way, this way. Lulu wants to go that way. But we're going to go this way, Lulu. Let's go this way, okay? Come on. Yep. You can see the sun. More pathways. More pathways. And this is the main pathway back up to the house. Yeah, you can drive a vehicle back here. I'm going to end this now. Don't want to bore you. Have a great day. Come and visit. See you later. Bye now.